Hey there, welcome to another session of math problem solving. This is Bharat Divyang. We have a very interesting problem today. Let's get started. So I have a 6-digit number which is 470 something, 940 something, as in the thousands digit and the ones digit is unknown, so we've replaced it with alphabets A and B. Now this number is divisible by 72. What's the value of A minus B? If you'd like to solve this by yourself, pause it here, try to solve it, get the answer, and then continue to see if you got it right. Okay, so let's get started. If a number is divisible by 72, then it follows that it should be divisible by all its factors as well. And it kind of makes sense because 72 is divisible by all its factors, which means any multiple of 72 will also be divisible by all of its factors. So what are the factors of 72? So it's 1 times 72, 2 times 36, 3 times 24, 4 times 18, 6 times 12, and 8 times 9. Now you don't have to check for all of them because not all of them have rules, because some of the factors themselves are very big, like 36 or 24, and are actually dependent on their subfactors to decide the divisibility. But we definitely have divisibility tests for 2, for 3, for 4, for 8, and for 9. So let's use these divisibility factors to arrive at the answer. So we have the number. It is to be divisible by 2 for sure, which means the last digit B has to be 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. I still have 5 possible answers. I can't narrow it down. Now let's take the same number and think about the divisibility test by 4. The last 2 digits needs to be divisible by 4 for a number to be divisible by 4, which means it has to be either 40, 44, or 48. I've eliminated 2, I've eliminated 6 for possibilities for B, but B can still be 0, 4, or 8. That's not enough. Let's extend it a little further, think about the divisibility for 8, and here you will actually narrow it down saying it's either 936 or 944 or 952, which means if it is 940 something, it has to be 4, and therefore we can conclude with 100% certainty that B has to be 4. So now let's think about A. If this number were to be divisible by 3, then the sum of all its digits needs to be a multiple of 3. So if I add 4 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 4 plus B, B being 4, it has to be divisible by 3. Which means 28 plus A should either be 30, 33, or 36. Can't be 39 because that will make A 11. A is a single digit number, so that's not possible. But 30, 33, 36 is possible, which means A can either be 2, 5, or 8. You still can't narrow it down. So let's think about the next one. This same number is also got to be divisible by 9, and for a number to be divisible by 9, the sum of the digits should be a multiple of 9. And which means 28 plus A has to be 36, because 36 is the only number that's divisible by 9 and 3, which means A is 8. And therefore, by utilizing a filtering mechanism for B and A, we are able to arrive at specific values. So if this number were to be divisible by 72, you need to find the value of A minus B. That's the question. We know A is 8, we know B is 4, and therefore A minus B is 4. So that there is the most elegant way to solve this problem. A quicker way to solve this problem would be to directly jump into divisibility of 8 to find B, and divisibility by 9 to find A. You don't have to do the 2, 4, 3. That's kind of... But in this particular problem solving method, I took you through the process so that you start off with a bigger funnel and then narrow it down based on the condition to arrive at a singular answer for both A and B, and therefore A minus B. I hope you found this method useful. I hope you are able to appreciate the clarity and the structure of the entire problem solving, which is very, very important in math. I hope you are able to build on this and solve many more problems of this nature. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.